Tony with Penn State Industries. Today we'll be making a Penn State Industries rasp grater kit. We'll be using our exclusive handle anything chuck, and this chuck can be used to make all sorts of handles. What we noticed is that a lot of times there would be instructions for making handles between centers or using various jigs and rigs and everything like that, but we didn't have a concrete solution. What the handle anything uses is threaded portions, like this is our 3/8 version. This is for making anything that has a 3/8 thread on it, but it still has our same diameter rod behind here so that you can use bushings or anything that you need to size your projects. So we've got our handle anything chuck, threads right on here. Our 3/8 mandrel. We have our bushing. This is for the gear shift bottle stopper. We're actually going to be using a smaller one of these. One other advantage of the handle anything is that you can also trim handle projects. For that we have our 3 slimline bushings, and of course we've got our rasp grater kit and wrenches to open and close the collar. This is a piece of olive wood that's already cut to 5.5 inches. It also is drilled and has the B-cert glued already in there. What we did was we drill a 1/2 inch hole, and we drilled to a depth of 29/32, which is a little bit deeper than 7/8, and we do that to accommodate the long thread of the rasp, and then it's glued in with epoxy and allowed to cure fully. Now what we're going to do now is take our 3/8 mandrel, and we're going to slide on the 3 slimline bushings. And what this does is it enables us to, when we insert in here, it holds the thread off so that we have access to the front end here by the headstock. When you put the tailstock in, it's important that even if you've marked a center on the side, you cannot use a marked center. You have to be on the center of rotation for the blank as it is. The insert is already glued in, the alignment is already set. So stick it in, even though it's slightly off, lock the tailstock, and advance your clip.